Windows 10, Windows 11. One big change you'll see is when you right click on things. Here I'm right clicking on this PC. In Windows 10 you have all these options. In Windows 11, when I right click, some options appear to be sort of missing. So delete and rename appear to be missing from this list, but it's not actually. They've replaced the delete with a trash can icon, and rename, which is really tough to understand, with this icon with an A. So just want to make a short video about this. If you don't like the icons, you can add another extra step in Windows 11 and just click on show more options. Voila, the old pop-up for shortcuts appears. So in Windows 11 they essentially added an extra step to make these icons replace some of the options, and I'm thinking most likely it was due to accessibility reasons, to make it more accessible. But anyways, I could be wrong. Regardless, I want to show you that if you want to get to options that were originally icons, that options in Windows 10 that are now icons, like let me do this again where I right click on this PC, just right mouse clicking. If you want those options to appear as text, just click on the show more options, and that'll solve your problem.